Hello, everybody. Hello. How are you doing today? I decided to start streaming a bit earlier today, and we are ready to start. We will see if it's going to be more convenient for you guys because generally I could stream a bit earlier. So if this is a great time for you, oh, why the hell not? So hello to everyone who is watching the recording. Hi, hello, how you doing? So, for those who are here, tell me if you can hear me, if you can see me, because I remember last stream my mic was lagging, but I watched the recording and it wasn't lagging. I think it was just the YouTube glitching out a little. But in any case, tell me something in the chat while I'm starting. Hopefully today's going to be more productive. The balance today is 10,000. We got the VIP status. We have the diamond. The first deal, of course, is going to be $50 and it's going to go back to pro. So the main idea today, not to lose VIP, but of course, I think like $300, $400 in profit would be amazing for today. Yesterday we didn't have like the easiest day, but generally it was fine. Let's look at the stats of yesterday, because yesterday's stream, oh, it was crazy. If you haven't been there, go look the recording of it, because oh boy. So yesterday we had 8 deals, 4 of them won, but with Martingale the profit is $106, so not really good, not really nice, but at least we got the profit and we got the VIP back. And I think we got more than 106. Am I wrong? I don't know. I don't know. I thought we got more, but it is what it is. So, yeah, 4 deals and plus. That's weird. Weird. Anywho, so, let's say 4. Let me look in the chat to see if you're here, guys. Alice, what are you doing by this time? Well, I decided to stream, obviously. It's a unexpected decision. I just don't think I will have time this evening, so I'll better start streaming a bit earlier than not stream at all. Michael, hey Alice, hey Michael, how you doing? Hi, can you please explain the turnover requirements? What do you mean? Are you talking about getting in VIP channel? Just need $300 turnover? That's it? Or if you're asking about what is a turnover, this is the amount of your deals. Give me 1 second. For example, if I open a deal with $50, like 2 of them, doesn't matter if I lose or win. So 2 deals for $50, it's going to be $100. That's my turnover. 5, it's 250 turnover. You know, that's what turnover is. But yeah, we are starting now. We're starting with Euro GPY. I have a lot of currency pairs today because right now we have more currency pairs with good payout comparing to usual sessions that we have a bit later. But it is what it is, Euro GPY. What do we see here? We kind of see the resistance level on the top and right here the support level as well. But I got a feeling that the price just broke through the support level. It looks like it did. There's a breakout and the price should go lower because this low is lower than our support. Let's not risk it. We will go back to this currency pair a bit later, but at this moment it looks like a breakout and the price should go even lower, but we'll see. USD GPY 81% payout. Let's move it around. The better payout is going to the front because usually all of these currency pairs are supposed to be better, but right now it's going to be like that. Next currency pair, Euro USD. Jagged trend. It's not even a trend, it's a flat. Obvious resistance level. We see the first rejection, second, third, fourth, fifth. obvious rejection on the top, so we have the resistance. And what about the support? Support is not obvious, so the first rejection, second one a bit higher, the third and fourth at like similar level. The fifth one is coming from here, but I'm not going to enter into a deal for an upward trend right now. If the price drops until this level, then I'll think about it. But for now, I don't think it's a good point, but I'm still going to put a visual for us. So in the future, we can go and see it. So, guys, for the new time of the stream, hopefully we will have some new people. And for those who are actually new here, at the beginning, we're trying to, just look at the market at the beginning of the stream, looking what's going on, like key levels, trends, and stuff like that. So we will have to wait for a little bit. And the price actually grew, but I still don't think it's a good entry point because the level is lower, so this movement could be a short-term one. So yeah, as I said, the price dropped. And maybe from this level we would think about it, but for now, too early. Too early. Anywho, guys, how are you doing today? If you already worked on the market today, tell me, how's it going? How's the market looking right now? Here the price is pushing downwards. Maybe we will have an entry point for an upward trend. Let me give you a visual here. We have the support level. Just to save some time, I will put horizontal lines to show you the levels instead of lines and zones. But you should remember that all the levels are not simple line. It is a zone because it can be even lower, even higher. So it is still the same zone and it is completely normal. So support zone is not a thin line. It's a thick thing. Okay, so potentially we could get something interesting here. We had a double top here in the past, but I believe in general the price should rise. Last time when the price reached this level, it was still pushed back downwards, but after second retest it grew. So we again will wait for a better signal that the price is growing, and then we will enter into a deal for an upward trend. For now it is still a bit risky, you know. GBP USD. Here we have quite a cute pattern, head and shoulders. Then there was a drop. And right now the price is moving upwards. I wouldn't say it's an uptrend. Not obvious situation. A lot of things can happen. So 88% payout. Yeah, we have another one with 88% payout. All the currency pairs are going to be just dancing around, and the higher the payout, the higher I'm going to put it, just so I can look at currency pairs with higher payouts. GBP CAD. Good uptrend. There was something like head and shoulders, not really, but still similar. Not a full one, but still no entry point. It was right there, but it's a bit too late right now, so I'm not gonna do that. And also the structure of the uptrend is kind of broken because the previous low is broken through with the price going downwards. GBP AUD. Again, it's kind of like a flat, it's a thick one. We can get like micro trends, but also we have obvious resistance and obvious support levels. So the price is in the middle. That means we don't have any good entry points for the second. Not a lot of trends today. Have you noticed that? Oh, so okay, here we have a good support. And the resistance is like somewhere here. The price is in between, again, the support and resistance line. But I think it could actually grow a little bit. We could think about short-term deal for an upward trend, but we are too close to the resistance level, which is somewhere here, like somewhere here even. But in general, there is a point to do that. But the general impulse movement is lost by this moment, so we will see if the price reaches the top point, and then we will enter into the downward trend, because from support we should have entered much earlier, and from resistance there is enough time for us to move on to something else. Euro CAD, good uptrend, but the price met resistance level, and right now the price updated its low. We have lower low, which tells us that the uptrend is broken. It's broken through. So if this candlestick is gonna close the way it looks right now, meaning a red one, we will go into a downward trend. Euro CAD, 3-minute expiration time, $50 used from the account, and we're betting for a downward trend. Let me explain. On one hand, we see a long uptrend, but if we are looking closer at the structure is broken through at that low because our previous low is higher than the lower low. So the price did the change of character. So right now we're believing that the uptrend is ending, but that is also not enough. Not enough. We also look at the level of resistance that we clearly see right here. We have 5, 6. This is the sixth time of the rejection of the price from the same level. Also, we have Stochastic being quite close to the level of being overbought. And we have 2 minutes left. And for now, I'm going back to the chat. For those who are new, when I'm opening a chat, I'm opening a different tab, so the picture of Codex stops. Bernard. What was that? Hello, how are you today, sister? I'm getting good, Bernard. We've decided to start a bit earlier. Hopefully, it's not gonna ruin anything. How are you doing today? Can you explain how to draw a triangle trend line both up and down? Well, I mean, it's not hard. Well, I will explain it on an example today, because at least once during the stream we find them, you know. Basically, it's quite easy if it's an uptrend and downtrend, or uptrend and resistance. Then you correct all the lows with one line and all the highs with one line. So it's gonna be looking like triangles. We have a lot of examples like that. We had at least one yesterday, so don't worry. Today we will have one example, and I will show you. Paddock, hi Alice, how are you doing? You're hot today. Well, I mean, it is hot outside. It's kind of summer at where I am right now. Hello, Alice. I'm so depressed today. Feels like I'll never get out of this. What happened, honey? Relaxing, what's going on? Is trading today not going well, or it's something about your life? If you don't want to talk about it here, you can talk to me in the Telegram. You can text me personally. Okay, so we have 30 seconds, and then we will look at AUDCHF. AUDCHF. I don't think I have it. Yeah, no, I don't have it. I will add it, but for now we need to wait for 17 more seconds until the deal is going to be closed. But it looks like our first deal of the stream is going to be correct. It's going to be correct. All right, okay. And this is the perfect first deal of today. We have plus $43 in profit. Let me find the currency pair that you were talking about. AUDCHF. I don't really see it, actually. Oh, yeah, found it. No, the payout is low. I'm not working with payouts like that, but let me look at what's going on here. So it's not really a downtrend because it's kind of like a flat. The last zone of consolidation was right there. We have resistance and we have support. Then the price did a fake breakout as a downtrend, but then it did a reversal and grew. Then there was reaction to the resistance, but it still broke through it, and it was high. I think the price was higher when you left the message in the chat. But I still don't understand. What do you want me to see here? For me, the interesting deal would be right now if the price is going to drop even lower and there would be a rejection from this level of resistance, and it's going to become support level, and the price will grow after that. But nothing else, nothing else. Small signal for an upward trend was right there, but that's not really a good one, to be quite honest with you, because we have three-line strike. You probably were talking about this. So we have three-line strike here, three red candlesticks that were completely absorbed with one green candlestick, and Stochastic also gave us a signal, and at some moment it looks like you should enter into a deal for an upward trend. And generally, if we're looking at it that it's an uptrend, probably you could enter into that deal, but that would be a mistake, unfortunately, obviously. But in any case, it is what it is. I understand why you would do that. I wouldn't, definitely, just because we don't have any levels at that point. And if we would have a stable uptrend, and we would see a lot of pullbacks and impulse movements, and then of course without levels you could work, but since this is the first pullback, I don't think it would be a good idea to enter into a deal, you know. So let me move on. So the first deal is closed in black. We are not losing our VIP status. But in any case, guys, tell me, how's week going for you? Let's talk in the chat. That's why we have streams. That's why we have a chat. Let's talk about it. But only thing, if you lost the money, you didn't get any profit, you lost money, tell me, why do you think that happened? If it was a bad strategy, if it was like a lot of emotions and stuff like that. So if you're telling me that you lost money, please try to explain, in your opinion, what happened. And if you got the profit, just tell me you got the profit. I'm gonna be so proud of you. Oh my god. Moving on. Euro GBP. Nothing interesting, to be quite honest. I mean, we have this flat. We have support level from which the price could jump upwards, but it's kind of losing the momentum. So let's move on to something else. And we will wait for a better signal. Euro USD. I remember we talked about entering into a deal for an upward trend, but decided not to, and we actually paid attention to the support level. And since it's here, let's put resistance as well. Oh no, didn't take it. Can you move? Oh, what the hell? I love working with a fucking touchpad. But yeah, so this is our support, and while the price is in the middle of this corridor, trying to get an entry point at this moment is stupid, in my opinion. Not stupid, it's just pointless, and it's a bit too early. What we can do, we can actually put some notifications. If the price reaches any of those levels, we will get notification and we will look at the chart and see what we can do. AUD did a breakout from a support level. That is interesting. What we're gonna do now, this is ideal to wait for the price to get a little higher, closer to the level, like I think to that level, probably. And then price will probably go lower. So we're gonna focus on AUD and let me explain. When the price creates a breakout, most probably price reaches back up again a little bit, retesting the level it broke through, and then with an impulse, it drops down. So retest can happen right at this level, a little bit higher or a little bit lower. If lower, then most probably it's going to be at these level where the price is right now, actually, or a little bit higher like it did previously. So for now, we're waiting, and I'm not saying it could be a actual breakout. This could be a fake out and price could rise, but binary option is, you know, it's an interesting place. but probability of the price dropping is higher than the price is gonna rise. But hopefully we're not gonna get a fake retest because the price could drop a little bit lower, then rise again, and then from the level it will drop down. Probability of that is also here in the existence. But yeah, we will wait for that to happen. Let me quickly look in the chat, chat. It's not about trading. Oh, then I think yeah. You can text me after stream relaxing and we can talk about it. It's okay. Big news in 10 minutes. Oh no, what are you talking about? Your news in 6 minutes. What's going on? What are we waiting for? What's gonna happen? Alice would like to follow your life every day. I would be happy to do lives every day. But yeah, and unfortunately, I understand that first of all, not all of you can do that every day. Not I can do it every day, but I'm doing my best. Feels a little bit better after talking with you. I'm happy to hear that, relaxing. You're always welcome to text me. Alice, can you help me? I have a solid strategy. Then why do you need my help if you have a solid strategy? Why? Why do you need my help? You just need a broker and use the strategy. But if you have any questions on your strategy, you can text me on Telegram in personal messages and we can talk about it there. Why not? All right, okay, going back, it kind of looks like the rejection is starting. But here we should not be in a hurry because rejection can happen right here, but also it can get a little bit higher and we shouldn't fuck it up. But I mean, we have $50. We can actually risk it. Yeah. We kind of have the bearish absorption. It is a risky deal, but I understand that if this deal is closed in red, meaning we're losing the money and the price rises a little more, I will enter another deal for a downward trend for $100 and the situation is going to be better. But since I'm afraid to lose this impulse going downwards, I will risk my $50. If the price rises, not a big deal. We're doing $100 with a Martingale and getting the money. So AUD GPY, 3-minute expiration time, $50 used. Doesn't look that right. Doesn't look that good. But we still have 2 more minutes. And I'm, of course, going back to the chat. Why no one talking about their results for this week? Guys, why are you not telling me? Tell me what's going on. Are you afraid of me to steal your money? Steal your money? You got so much money that you're afraid I'm gonna steal it? But yeah, let's talk about your results. Why not? Why not? But yeah, the price rose a little bit, unfortunately. For now, we have 1 minute and 40 seconds. Most probably the price is gonna drop. But we will see. If the rejection happens, we still have the possibility and probability that the deal is going to be closed in black, meaning we're going to get the money. But for now, I don't know. I don't know. Even the signal from Stochastic doesn't exist. Hopefully it's not a trap. If it is, well, it is what it is. Sometimes if you lose the money, binary option, it's just life. Because there is no 100% win rate for nobody. Only for those who did one deal in their life. But still believe that the price is gonna drop. It's gonna drop. But this girl, look at her. Look at her. Well, I don't think it's gonna be closed in black. I think it's gonna be closed in red, unfortunately. But, I mean, meh. Yeah, 30 seconds. I don't believe in it anymore. The price is actually growing and it's like, oh, breakout? What are you talking about? I didn't see any breakouts. I'm rising right there, What breakout? I haven't seen it. Little bitch. But again, see, there is an impulse now. The actual frick. Now, without an impulse going downwards, we're not going to enter into a deal because it doesn't look right. Generally, the price is in a place where a rejection could happen. We're entering into the second deal immediately. Same logic for the deal, just like we had last time. Price was reacting to this level of support, after which the breakthrough happened. And from this level, we are waiting for the rejection. But instead of that, what the fuck is happening? Okay. All right. Okay, all right. All right, okay. I believe it's gonna be one of those days, you know, one of those fucking days where we're not gonna get easy money. Ugh. Not in the mood for that, you know. Yesterday, I asked for just one fucking day. One day. One good, easy day. Look at her. Anywho, let's move on. Oh, is that the news? Is that the news? Is that the fucking news that you told me about and I didn't listen? Oh me, oh my. I hope you guys got the profit from this movement. Oh, we can actually enter into a deal for a downward trend because after such huge impulse is followed by a correction. Oh me, oh my. It would be ideal if it started from that level. But that deal is still happening. I don't like opening multiple deals in a row. Hopefully, again, hopefully for those who knew about the news, I hope you got the money out of that. I'm just curious. Tell me if you know what's the news. Tell me. Tell me what was it? Because I don't like looking at news. Just in general, not for trading, just in general. I hate it. I hate looking at news because of everything going on in the world. It is fucked. It is fucked. And analyzing news and working with like news trading is not my forte. Should I enter into a deal right now? Should I? Should I? Should I? And I like the resistance was right there. I don't like opening two deals in a row because the previous one is still opened. But of course it's going to be open, closed in red. Just because it's so obvious it's going to be closed in red, that's why I opened the second deal. When we have a lot of losses on one currency pair, I believe that the most logical thing to do is to stop and go to another one, but 20 seconds. What if this one is going to be closed in black? Maybe yes? We have 12, so 10 seconds. I have a micro chance. What a bitch. What a bitch. But it would be nice, it would be nice. Unfortunately, it didn't happen and we lost the money on this one, but your GPY. I'm waiting for a commentary from those who told us about this news. If you got the money, tell me if you did. So going back to the chat. Hello, Alice. Hey, the clown. Hello. One question, do you go live during the weekend? Nope, I don't, because only OTC currency pairs are working on the weekend, and I don't work with them. That's it, that's it. Maybe if we will have like Q&A or something like that just to talk to you guys, or I will be talking about some strategy, I will work on the weekend. But trading sessions, nope, don't work with OTC. Hey, Alice, can you show your analytics? Yep, I did at the beginning of the stream, and I will show it to you again after this deal is going to be closed. You're a fly from news. Told you you're gonna get news. I got profit in Forex. How much did you get, Alien? That's good. That's good. You're a bunk. Interest news. Okay, that's cool. If you knew about the news, you got the money from that. Amazing, amazing job. You did great. Blew my account earlier this week, but I'm still learning. Good help from you. Appreciate it. Much energy from Kenya. Thank you so much. But what happened? Why did you lose everything on your account? Was it bad strategy, your mistake, emotions, or what happened? Tell me, have you analyzed it? What happened? Because losing money sometimes is okay, it happens. Like, for example, I just did 2 deals in a row, losing money. It's okay, but you need to just, you know, understand what happened, learn the lesson, and continue and move on. But I don't really understand what happened with AUDGPY. Can't say that I can analyze it, but usually yes, of course. But maybe, yeah. Let's finish this one, which is going to be closed in black, meaning we are getting the money. Amazing. So going back to AUDGPY, let me explain my mistake because I want to analyze my mistake. Right here, for the first time, I saw this small signal for the price to do the reversal and drop, and we also had a level there. So I said $50 is not that much, we can risk it. I risked it, and who stole the candlestick again? Who the fuck is stealing candlesticks? This is not the first time, this is the third time. Third streamer is someone steals candlesticks. One of you. Anywho, so from here, when I saw that from the level there was a push of the price, I didn't wait for good confirmation, and of course the price grew again. Let me update the page. Oh yeah, no one stole the candles here. It was just a glitch. Sorry for those who thought that I was telling that it was you. But yeah, I should have waited a little bit. So I was caught in this lie, in the second lie, my stupidity, I would say, because I didn't wait for a good confirmation. And that is why I lost money twice on this same currency pair. But it is what it is. Everyone makes mistakes, even if you are a profitable trader and you work for a while, you can, like, you can make mistakes. Everyone can make mistakes. And of course, me with the stream, I explained that many times. I'm trying to show you as many examples as I can. That's why I make mistakes, not analyzing well enough. It happens, but it is what it is. Risk management is not nice. When I'm trading by myself in my personal life, of course, I trade the other way around. The style of trading is not my style. Definitely not my style. I spend a lot of time trying to wait for a good entry point in personal trading. And here, I actually want to enter into another deal, but I made already 2 mistakes here, and I don't want to continue working with it because emotions are going to be mixed with everything. And someone asked for analytics. 1 second, where is it? Yeah, for those who asked for analytics for a month, $1,023. It is this account specifically because we didn't we didn't really stream in February, and after 18th we started. And this account is used only for streams. All the deals you can see in the recordings because we have all of them on the channel. But yeah, the win rate for now is 52%. Don't say anything about it. Don't you dare. So stats for the week, $392. Today, profit is minus 107. The fuck? It's because of the last deal that we didn't count. Like, it's not updated for the last one. So it's gonna be around $500 for this week. But we will see it at the end of the stream. We will look again. And stats for yesterday, profit of $106, 4 deals profitable, 8 deals in general. Not really nice, but it is what it is. A good thing that I didn't enter into a deal here. Oh shit, that was not nice. So let me quickly look in the chat and I will continue. 4%, you load my profit from last week. Good job, good job. George, hello George. USD news in 9 minutes. Elaine, where do you get your news from? Oh, insider information. Use the news in 5 minutes. Tell me in what way the price is gonna go, high or vice versa. If it's gonna rise or if it's gonna drop. We still have 5 minutes. Well, if we're gonna have something on USD, then I'm definitely not gonna work with it at this moment. We will work with something else, not euro and not USD. Ah, oh, for fuck's sake, we don't really have that much. But we have GBP AUD. Not a bad level of demand right here. That's one. That's two. That's a three. And that's kind of a four. Kind of a four. Kind of. Interesting. But it was pushed back quite fast. There wasn't like rocketing, you know? I don't even know. I don't know. On one hand, I want to enter into a deal, but on the other hand, not sure because the impulse is like, you know, dying. We have a structure of downtrend. Is there going to be a breakthrough? Let's look at candlesticks right now and try to get some confirmation from them. I don't even know. In general, I would like to get a deal here, but the structure of downtrend kind of scares me. And the previous jump was not really an impulse. We have $50. We can risk it, but I just said that we cannot be impatient. So I'm going back to the chat for a couple of minutes to read like what's gonna and wait for that currency pair to see what's going on. You said you use this account for streams, so you have two Codex accounts. Yeah, well, I mean, I understand your question. Usually it's forbidden, but if you're an influencer, oh my god. I just talked to Quotex. I have a personal manager there that I want to stream and I want for you to see all the stats, everything could be like transparent as much as possible. And I said that I need a separate account and I was allowed. It wasn't fast, but I was allowed because usually you're not allowed to have two accounts, but rarely it happens, and my case is one of those things. And Codex, people from Codex, they love my channel. Because I guess you've seen other bloggers and YouTubers, and I think you understand why Codex likes me. Hey Liz, how are you? I'm doing good. Doing good. Honestly, I believe is it gonna go up? Gonna go up. Okay, so not looking really good here. I understand that this is a demand zone. I just don't like this small jump and the structure of downtrend. I believe that the price is gonna break this level and it's gonna drop. Maybe I'm refusing to work with it and it's a mistake, but I'm gonna make this mistake just because I'm not comfortable with the structure of downtrend and I obviously do not like the last jump from the demand level being really weak comparing to the previous ones. So I'm saying no. Saying no to this one, you know, because sometimes better to be safe than sorry. That's what I'm gonna say. Okay, so as far as I remember, it's supposed to be Euro or USD, so it's supposed to go down or up. Confusion. Confusion. So the price should drop right now. In general, I like the idea to go downwards, but it could react to this level, creating like a support level. Should I risk it? Should I? Just for having fun, just to have fun, just for you, Alien. I'm gonna put $10 if there is gonna be another jump. We have 1 minute left for the news to come out. I have $10 just to have fun, just to see how much Alien is. Not how much, if the alien is correct or not. Alien 911. 911. Oh shit, I'm stupid. Euro USD is gonna go up. Whoopsie diddle do. Who's stupid? Who's stupid? I thought you said USD is gonna go up. And I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. So I'm working against you, not alongside of you. So if my deal is gonna be closed in black, then Alien 911 is going to be the winner, and hopefully he's going to get the money, but But let's continue trading like normal because news trading, not my style, not my style. It's a bit complicated, confusing for me, but that's just me. I'm working with price action. AUD what the hell is going on with you? What is wrong with you? I don't know. I don't know. So, alien, alien, sweetheart, doesn't look right. It doesn't look right. Hopefully you're not gonna lose money, and hopefully I'm not gonna lose money. Even though it's just $10, and still don't like losing. So, AUD/USD, we have kind of an uptrend structure, and the price pulled back to the level of the previous high, and it's actively being pushed upwards. We should probably wait. Maybe AUD/USD is going to be the next one for us to work with, and the price is going to jump. So we are not waiting for a conclusive reaction on the level. We're just looking what's going to happen. For now, the price is breaking through it. But we'll see. We'll see. Alien. 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 What's going on? The price is not reacting to the news, I guess. For now, yeah, my $10 are safe. They are safe. Just fine. But yeah, something weird is happening, and USD currency pairs are dropping. Or I correct? Was I correct? You know, I read it incorrectly. And got the money from it. Oh, for fuck's sake, that is hilarious. I thought I made a mistake, but I guess it didn't. And from this level, I believe that the price is gonna rise actually with price action. I'm talking about price action, not news trading. But yeah, the deal is closed in black. We got $9. Freak. I'm sorry, alien. I'm sorry, alien. I got $9.30 thanks to you and me not reading it correctly. So I don't know. I don't know. I thought this one is gonna go down, and vice versa, the one that you said that euro dollar and euro. I don't even want to explain what I thought. I just made a mistake, but I got the money from my mistake. Oh, freak AUD/JPY. I don't know what's going on. Something weird is happening. Again, probably something happening with the other news. I don't know. GBP/USD. We kind of have a support level. It looks like a nice jump, but at the same time a huge shadow, so the price is being pushed downwards. Another hard day. When are we gonna have a great day? Just, you know, to use price action. No news, no nothing, just price action, pure price action. Euro CAD, interesting. We had an uptrend. The news happened, obviously, with two candlesticks, which Alien 911 told us about and was correct. Then the price jumped from this level, and it is reacting to that level again. Maybe. We'll see. But rejection happened. This is the second retest. So the retest is happening, but we will see to what side the price is going to go. Euro CAD, Euro USD. All right, it's a bit too late. I'm still going to enter into this one. Euro USD 3-minute expiration time using $50. I'm not working with the prognosis. I'm working with price action right now, and this is a perfect place for a jump. Let me remind you why. We had resistance level that worked really well in the past. Yeah, it worked well in the past, quite well. And after the price actually broke through this resistance level, it went back through to it, retested it, and then we are waiting for another jump. We should have entered after first candlestick, but hopefully impulse is going to be enough for us to close the deal in black. But again, a bit risky, and Stochastic also shows us the signal, but it is what it is. Going back to the chat. Huge volatility right now. Shouldn't happen. Correctly. Yeah, I mean, it is, it is. But yeah, guys, how are you doing? Is someone working also, or it's just me and Alien 911? If you are working right now, tell me how's it going. And also, oh, Tawny B, hey boy, how you doing? I'm sorry, we started a bit earlier. I know that in Texas it's probably early morning. Sorry, just for you specifically. Because for you, I understand it's really, really freaking early. But it is what it is, Tiny, you know, it's business. But yeah, looking at the chart, the price is growing. Maybe it will react to that level. Hopefully it won't. Hopefully it won't. But for now, it doesn't look that bad. If we're going to break through that level, the price is going to rise even higher, but we will see. And again, for those who are working with me right now, tell me how's it going. And if you're copying the deals, because I know people do that, which I do not recommend doing that, tell me, how's it going for you? How's it going for you? We have a little resistance, you know. Hopefully it's not going to be big. Perfectly, the price should rise even higher in a perfect world. If someone works with Euro USD right now, tell me, on which candlestick did you enter into a deal? We have 27.65 seconds left for the deal to be closed. For now, the price is not doing anything, and that's just at the last 3 seconds, it's just gonna fucking drop. Just drop. Let's not do that, please. We have 8 seconds left. Please. Please, pretty please. Yeah, you need to rise. It's okay. It's all right. The price is not moving anywhere. It is okay for us because we got the money. We have $153. Let me look with what we started. We have had $18. So around $130. 30, 40? I don't know. Can't count. My brain doesn't work. But yeah, we are not going to work with this currency pair right now because the price could react to this level or could not react. But hopefully for those who worked with Euro USD, you got a little bit of profit. Euro GPY. JPY. After this jump, I don't know. Should I? Should I not? Meh. USD GPY. No interesting entry points. Euro GBP. Guys, if you, not even if you're not working, but just looking through market and scrolling through it, if you can see some interesting entry points and situations, leave them in the chat. I will look into what's going on. So AUD GPY is ignoring the level that I was looking at. We had a couple of deals closed in black here for those who are just coming into the stream. And instead of reacting to the support level, the price started fucking consolidation. So behaving like a complete asshole, not giving me my money, but taking it back from me, you know. Don't like it, don't like it. AUD USD. Bullshit. Euro CAD. I was curious what's gonna happen here. We had the rejection, it worked quite well. And right now the price reached this level. I think it's gonna start consolidating here. We don't really have any confirmations, really good confirmations for a downward trend. But this growth was not organic growth. It was like a news growth. And believing in this being an uptrend is not correct. It was just a news big bada boom. And the price is consolidating right now to, you know, continue with some future trend. But I think we could actually catch a deal for a downward trend, but we don't really have good confirmations. We have this level in Stochastic, but nothing else besides that. With candlesticks, we don't have any confirmation. But with Candlesticks, if we're gonna get it, it's gonna be a little bit too late because the corridor is gonna be so small. It's not going to be. It is really small. And the second we get the confirmation from the candlesticks, it's gonna be a bit too late. And I think I would risk it. Should I? Should I? I don't know. We kind of have an impulse for growth of the price. Let's risk it. All right. Euro CAD, risky business, 3-minute expiration time, $50. I explained all the reasons why it's a bad idea. Why is it good? I don't know. It's not logical that the price is going to grow because the previous growth was not organic and the consolidation is going to happen. That's the most logical thing that could happen here. But good confirmation doesn't exist here. It doesn't exist. It is just my brain telling me to do that. So if this deal is going to be closed in red, I'm not going to be upset about it. I'm not going to be upset about it. But if you're going to do it with a really small percent from your balance. 7:30 a.m. Not too bad. Tony. I usually sleep at that time or I go to bed at that time. Oh my god, you're crazy. 30% USD. 1 minute left. Good job. Really early in Hawaii. Okay, so my streams right now are not good for United States at all. Like, at all. I understand that I should do it later. I will probably continue streaming as usual, like a couple of hours later. I love late evening sessions because the market is quite normal, you know, quite calm, so it's fine. Have to go. Bye. Have a good day. Have a good day relaxing. Love you. Done for the day. Just watching you talk. Another Euro news in 5 minutes. Oh, for fuck's sake, stop that. Not you, but they. Hate it. Only watching gathering confidence. Well, why not? Why not? Sometimes people say that it gives you the ability to get used to, you know, so watching streams, good idea, good idea. Good idea. Because you're looking at the trader, you're analyzing the market, you listen at the same time how the person analyzes the market. So good job, good job. But you should, you know, find someone good. Someone good. I go to work at 5:30 a.m. What is wrong with you, Tony? What do you do? What do you do for a living? Why would you go to work at 5:30 a.m.? I drink my last tea at 5:30 a.m. or I sleep at that time. I don't know. What do you do? You need to tell them that this is not okay. This is not okay. It's inhumane. That's what I was trying to say. Look at the candlestick. What is this bitch doing? Stop that. Guys, you know the rules for those who are new here. When the candlesticks are not moving in the way we need them, you need to like up the stream and push a lot of hearts in the chat, but I think I said that a bit too late. Well, it is that it is. The deal is closed in red. We lost the money. See, like it looked alright, like the last seconds. It's life. It's life when you're a trader. It is what it is. Oh my god, it's so hot. Anywho, so the price is consolidating right now. It's in consolidation. So I think it's a bit too risky to work with this currency pair. Let's move on. Euro GPY, 93% payout. Looks good, sounds good. I love it. And the deal for a downward trend looks interesting. But I'm not really sure about that. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look good. It's such a small corridor because there is some like micro support and I'm not sure if the price is gonna break through it. So it's interesting place, but I don't think it's gonna be worth it. It's not worth it. If it would be $50 deal, I would enter into that one, but with $100, don't want to do that. Here we have a downtrend, USD, GPY, yeah, GPY have pulled back, and this is another pullback that ended, I don't know. Moving on, Euro USD, 93% payout. I like that. I like that. I like that. 90% payout, AUD GPY looks disgusting. And AUD GPY is gonna be just like forgotten by May. Here, GBP USD, good level of resistance, and I think we lost the moment of the impulse movement downwards. Is it too late? Because here the price met some sort of resistance. But I think it will go past it. If the price is going to rise a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a teeny tiny little bit. Yeah, I'm going to risk it. Well, of course, bitch, it's rising. Let me explain. The price jumped through from this level, but globally, we don't really have anything at this level that shows us that there is going to be a reversal of the market. There is a level, but it's really weak. I believe that the price should break through it, but this resistance level is quite serious. So with this resistance level, I believe a bit more, and Stochastic also gives us the signal for a downward trend. So I believe this rejection from this level is a fake one, and the price should go downwards. We have 2 minutes, 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and I'm going back to the chat. Back to the chat. We have double button. Up is not good. Which one are we talking about? On what currency pair, Martin? I kinda missed it. I think you won. I'm afraid of losing my $3. I understand how it feels. Don't even. Why? $3 is not enough to even start trading. Just because if you have $3, you should open deals for $3 because this is the minimum, and this is 33% from your balance, and this is too much. Bad risk management. Bad everything. Euro GPY may go up, taking support from 15 EMA. I will look into that. Bad market. Yeah, not the best one, but not the worst one. Market showing down, probability accumulating orders for tomorrow, and VP. Maybe. Last trade. Why? Who said? Okay, Euro GPY may go up. This one looks fine for now. Euro GPY may go up. So with exponential moving average 15, even with price action, we have probable rejection here, and it might rise, but we have a double top right now. So I'm not sure. I wouldn't probably not enter into a deal for an upward trend. I wouldn't do that. I don't want to do that. But it is probable. But until this level, I guess. And I don't like such a small corridor because support and resistance are really close to each other. I don't feel comfortable in situations like that, so I would not recommend it. It is possible, but I would not recommend it. And do you know what? I don't wanna look. I don't. Guys, so you know the rules. We have 15 seconds left. You need to like up the stream and spam the hearts in the chat. Because I do not understand what the fuck is happening. Is that the news? Is that some kind of news? Fuck's sake. It doesn't look like one. What the fuck? What the fuck? I don't understand. And we will enter from here at the level of resistance right now, not even waiting for any confirmation. It is bad idea, but I still believe that the price should drop right now. That is my logic, and at least until this level, like, if there is some support level. So I think closer to this level it should drop. It could rise a little bit because the resistance zone is somewhere here. But I think globally it should actually drop. $200. $200. I'm not happy about that. It doesn't look right now, so I'm going back to the chat. And I see that someone is spamming the hearts. Thank you. Hopefully that will help. Definitely going up. once a week. How many times do we need to send hearts? I don't know, like from 1,000 up to 1,000,000. That would be an optimal thing. But I'm just joking, of course. Uh, Me asking you to like up the stream and spam the hearts in the chat, it's not just me wanting its attention, it's because YouTube is gonna send more people to our streams and we will grow our community. That's the whole point. Unfortunately, the price is not reaching the level. Not reaching the level right now. We should have waited. Again, I'm being annoying today. Mm. Or not today, just as always. I'm fucking annoying all the time, I know that. But I believe that the price should drop. Maybe the rejection will happen right there as well, but still hope and believe that the price will drop. So if this one is going to be closed in red and the next deal is going to be, oh, it's going to be bad because my status is going to be pro and the payouts are going to be lower and I do not like that. And the big deal with low payout is not nice. Not nice. Okay, so we have bearish absorption. We need an impulse downwards. We have all the conditions. Obvious rejection. Obvious bullish engulfing. Back. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's hope. Crush your fingers. Crush your fingers. If you're tired of spamming the hearts, crush your fingers for me. Do at least something. Help me. Help me. We have 15 seconds left, and please do not stress me out. Please don't. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. Don't move. Please. Oh, thank you. Alrighty, we got the money. So the first deal was opened right here. We got into the support level. Generally, looking at it, there was a rejection somewhere here. So that was my mistake of reading the market. So the deal is closed in black, and I'm grateful for that. We have $10,171. I wouldn't say the market is bad, but I can say that we don't really have a lot of obvious entry points. But I can definitely say that it is better than it was yesterday. Because yesterday I was done with this deal. With everything. With like trading. Okay, here we have really small corridor. So let's look at the currency pairs with high payout. Euro GPY. So Euro GPY, for those who wanted to enter into a deal for an upward trend, hopefully your deal was closed in black. Well, I see that it was supposed to at least be closed in black. Here's the GPY. The price is pushing downwards, but we don't really have an entry point at this moment. So tired. Euro dollar. And euro dollar is actually flying up. It is flying to the gods. But I don't really understand where we can find an entry point. So moving on to AUD GPY. Not too shabby, but no entry points. No entry points. GBP USD. Generally, I would want to enter into another deal for a downward trend, but I'm scared of this place. I believe that the price should drop even lower. It should. Let's maybe... But first of all, we need to change the amount of money that we're using. Should we risk it? But I don't want to. I don't want to. I'm too tired for this bullshit. EUD is D, Euro CAD, GBP AUD. Alright, here the price reached a really good resistance level. And it's pushing it upwards. Let me put you a visual for that, and probably we will work with a breakout. Where is a horizontal line? Oh, there you are. There you are. Come here. Oh my God, are we doing this again? Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you for not being an asshole. Let's make it, yeah. Again, this is not a line, it is a level. So let's kind of look at what's going to happen to the price and think about it for now. Just looking and thinking, not acting. We're not acting on our desires, instincts, thoughts. Because I'm still looking at two variants. It could happen a breakout upwards, or also the price is still in the zone. There could be a reversal. Let me explain why we can have a breakout. See, there is a huge impulse getting closer to the level. Getting from that, it is a bit dangerous. But also, we see that the price was flying high. We still need to wait. We need to wait, and I will go to the chat for a couple of seconds. Okay, just wanted to know if I press 800 times, would they consider them just 1 hack per user? I don't even know. Like, I don't know. If you ask like as a serious question, I guess that makes sense. Because with likes, yeah, it's just one like from one person, but I guess the hearts is a different story because YouTube sees that like people are just being active, you know. Is it possible to turn 100 into 50,000 in a month? Possible? Yeah. Probable? Hell nah. Oh hell nah. Anything is possible. That's not possible. That is not probable. Yeah. Thank you, Tony. Agree with you 100%. There is a possibility, but not probability, you know. So we're working with the breakout. We have an impulse movement upwards on the currency pair of GBP AUD, 3-minute expiration time using $50 from the account. I don't think the price is gonna do the reversal because the level, yeah, we went through this level already. This is another level right there. Oh shit. But I don't think we should look at that one. I think we should look at current situation. How much time have we been on the stream? Was it like 67 minutes? Eastside, Eastside, 1 or 2 deals. Let's see. I always say that. I always fucking say that. That we know that if this deal is gonna be closed in red, we will have to fucking open another one to cover the losses. But we'll see. If this deal is gonna be closed in black, maybe that's gonna be the last one. It might be. By the way, guys, for those who are watching the stream in the recording, we actually have an academy, and not only a recording for those who are here, but not a student of the academy. If you want to be a part of the academy, a student of the academy, you just simply need to text me to my Telegram, the link to which you can find, as always, under the stream and under each video on my channel. You can simply text me, hey girl, want to be a student or whatever, just telling me that you want to be a student, and I will give you an access to everything that we have, because the lessons, the course on in the academy is actually completely free. But looking at the situation on the market, I don't like it. I have a minute left. What is she doing? Is it a retest? What do you think? I don't know if there's gonna be a reaction to the level. It doesn't look like a fake out. I mean, do I know anything today with this market? But the price is being pushed upwards. Just visually, the price should drop right now, according to candlesticks. But they are pushing the price upwards. But I believe that the deal is going to be closed in red, unfortunately. I have 25 seconds left. Can you please rise to the gods? I'm just rising to the gods. Could you please do that? Could you please do that? A bit more. A little bit more. And a teeny, teeny, tiny little bit more. Thank you. Stay there or rise. Stay there or rise. I did it. I'm a fucking candlestick whisperer. All right, so this one is closed in black, but with price action, I don't really understand what's going on. If someone is trying to work with this one going for an upwards, I would wait for a rejection from this level. The price basically should pull back to this level, and then you should work with going upwards. But because the candlesticks are really weird, I don't really like what's going on. So it is what it is, but we got the money. We have $214. The profit for today is almost $200, almost. So 190, 94? Yay, 94. I think in general, it's going to be it for today. Not the best day, not the worst day. The market is not too crazy, not too good. But yeah, let me quickly look in the chat. Super excited market. You're fucking genius. Oh, thank you. Absolute is not a lag. It's all about rising bar pattern. Three rising bar pattern. You're talking about three white soldiers. I don't see three white soldiers. Three rising bar patterns. It's the same with three white soldiers, but it's supposed to be three green candlesticks, each higher than the previous one. It's similar to this one, similar. If this candlestick, the last one, would be bigger than the previous one, then that would be three white soldier. But if I'm wrong, I'll definitely Google that after I finish the stream. I'll Google that because I'm ready to learn something new, you know. But yeah, thank you so much, guys, for being here for me. I will see you tomorrow, and tomorrow is going to be a little bit later than today, so normal timing. And I will see you in